For businesses, every dollar matters. Fuel is one of your biggest costs. Electric vehicles reduce that dramatically, up to 80 to 90% lower operating cost. Better branding, more customers. Charging can bring people to your business. Add solar and battery, control your energy. Lower costs, better business.
Free Ride EV Education Project has been sharing knowledge and teaching about EV adoption for past 3 years. Our project has evolved to Phase 3 with live demonstrations. We are booking appointments and we will come to location of your choice. Do a demonstration of how to charge and how to use charge networks, as well as showing how solar and battery energy storage technology can further lower operation costs while adding energy independence, as well as emergency preparedness. For more information or book an appointment, www.fnev.ca.